welcome back. Today we are going to can our venison meat. So what I'm doing here is I'm cleaning it off. Here is our meat. We've kind of had it in the fridge for a little while, so I'm cleaning off whatever looks dried. So I have like 2-3 bowls like this in the fridge that I'm going to clean and cube, just like I'm doing here. And after that, I am going to put the meat in the jars, season it, and then we're going to can it. So you guys know this is actually my first time canning or pressure canning meat. So I am learning as I go here. Alright guys, so here I have my meat all cleaned and cubed. So that's one bowl here that I'm already done with. And then I have this bowl here, and then I have another small one. So a little ways to go before I can start canning. Alright guys, so here are the 2 bowls of meat. I'm completely done cleaning them and cubing, cutting them into cubes. Here's a little bit of that meat that I was talking about in the bowl. This is some meat that's going to marinate. My husband will be taking this when he goes elk hunting in a couple of days, so he can have this to eat out there. And here I have my jars with the lids or the rings sterilizing. Alright guys, so we are going to get ready to fill up these jars with some meat. I have some fresh garlic here, which I will be using. I'm going to be putting maybe 1 or 2 in each jar. I have more jars. I have a few more jars to fill, but this is what I can fit here on this counter now. I'm going to use some peppercorn, some onion salt. It's a seasoning blend, and probably just a small dash of salt, and that is it. So I'm going to start filling these up. I've already washed my hands. So now I'm going to add some seasoning to each jar. I think, and actually I think I'm going to try putting the seasoning in first in the next batch that I do. Just to see if makes any difference in taste. Don't worry about my dogs in the background. They're just barking at other dogs that are passing by on the path, on the walk path. Hope it tastes just as good. Okay. So here are our jars. My vinegar here, and we are just going to wipe the rims. Okay guys, so here I am working on my second batch. So I have 4 quart-size jars that I filled with the venison meat, and I've already seasoned. So all the jars are filled. All there is to do next is to put them in the pressure canner and start the process on pressure canning them. Alright guys, so here is my pressure cooker. I just received it, I think it was earlier this week. I haven't opened it yet because I was waiting to make this video so I can open it on camera. So the one I got is the Presto pressure canner, the 23 quarts, and it holds 26 of these, and then it holds 20 pints, which are these right here, and then it holds 7 quarts, which are the big ones. Okay, here it is, pressure canner. Okay, so here's the lid. Here's the gasket, the gauge right here. Here is the, I guess what they call the jiggler or the poundage that you would put on the pressure canner. And then here's the tray that goes on the bottom of the canner. And here's the canner itself. 23 quarts. And we are adding 12 cups of water into the canner. Okay, now we're going to place our jars inside. We are going to put the lid on. There we go. And now we're going to set it. I'm going to set it at 6, and then, so I'm setting the heat on my electric stove to 6. Based on the last batch that I did, I brought it up to 8 and had to bring it down to 4 for it to stay at 15. So this time I'm just leaving it at 6. Okay guys, so we are starting, I have already started timing the cooking time, which is going to be about 75 minutes. If you can see here, the needle stayed at 15. The jiggler is going, and so we're looking good. So in about an hour and 15 minutes, this should be done. Okay guys, ouch, this is hot. So the meat is done. It's still boiling. So I take out all of these. And there you go. So these are sealing. Seems like they're all pretty much ready. So I'm going to just leave them on the counter so that they can cool down completely. Alright guys, so here is the canned venison. I think they came out good. I did open one and tried it, and it had good flavoring, and the meat was really tender. It did have a slight gaminess to it. I'm not sure if that's going to be with every jar, but otherwise the meat came out really tender and it is good. But here are my jars, and I feel good. It's rewarding to be able to harvest your meat and do all that processing work and to can it, and now it's just ready to enjoy. Okay, so that is it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed my video of me making or canning, pressure canning venison meat for my first time. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and remember to share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.